Since we launched in 2018, Cywain has helped over 902 food and drink businesses in Wales to grow. These small businesses represent a combined annual turnover of £548 million and are hugely important to the Welsh economy. We have supported 232 business startups and have provided 1,055 training days for over 769 participants. Specialising in helping our clients to maximise their potential in a competitive world, we promote the high quality of produce Wales has to offer and the talent of its entrepreneurs. Cywain has enabled our clients to bring their world-class products to market, both here in the UK and internationally. Collaboration is key to driving growth, and the Food and Drink Wales clusters of fine food, seafood and honey play a key role in this, bringing like-minded businesses together to share knowledge, increase productivity and stimulate new business. Cywain's dedicated team are here to support Wales's food and drink producers large and small. Our goal is to continue to drive innovation, growth and sustainability within the industry and strengthen Wales's reputation for producing high-quality food and drink.